This is the first slide, which belongs to the acknowledgement of the country. We acknowledge that is the land we live on today is the traditional land of the Karma people, that we respect their spiritual relationship with their country. We also acknowledge the Karma people as the custodian of the earlier region, that our culture and heritage beliefs are still as important to the living Karma people today. Here are two flags, which the first one is the Aboriginal flag and the second one is the Torres Islanders flag. This slide belongs to theory of the play. Well, just now I'm going to define the what is play. The, this play is any freely chosen and personal directed, intrinsically motivated activity done for its own sake and rather than for an external goals. The types of theories, there are the two types of theory. The first one is classical theory and the second one is contemporary theory. Just in the classical theory, there is a surplus energy theory, relaxation theory, and practice theory, and recapitulation theory. And the second one is contemporary theory. Just in the contemporary theory, psychoanalytical theory, and the second one is the arousal modulation theory, meta communication theory, and cognitive theory, and the socio cultural theory. Just in the classical theory, just now I'm going to define just only two theories. The surplus energy theory, the when the people are more energy than is needed for the work for access is used in the play. Relaxation theory, the play is used in generate the energy of the needed for the work. This is less applicable to the children play. Now, this slide belongs to the play-based learning. At first, the play-based learning is the approach that is used to learn the something for the children without boring. And the example, discover, explore, experiment. And the second one is it looks like the play. However, it is a play-based learning, and the educators helps to their activities. There are the two types of the approach. The first one is the historical and second one is contemporary. Just the first one is the historicals. We divided into the Froebel's principal practice and the second one is the Montessori methods. The Froebel's principal practice just it gives the idea about the Froebel's gifts and the occupation and circles, times and songs. And the second one is the Montessori methods. Just in the Montessori methods, the core principles are prepare the environments and respect for the children and sensitive period and auto education and the hand-on learning. And then the second one is the contemporary methods. Just in the contemporary approach, the Reggio Emily approach, and then it just of this method, this learning method, there are the two types of the principle. The principle one is all play types are the equal and pedagogical value, and the second types is the play types are used in the multiple combination. Just in the there is a in just in the right side there is one pictures. We combine just the two principle, the principle one and principle two, or the all place types are the equal in the pedagogical value. Just which one is the principle one, and the principle two is the play types be used in the multiple combination, which gives the same result as like the open-ended play, which promotes the children's exploration of the new concept. And the second one is the model play, which illustrates the concept in the action by the teachers with the children. And the third one is the purposefully framed play, and the co-development understanding of the concept between the teachers and the children, drawing a range of the information and resources. This slide belongs to the theoretical perspective of the play. There are the different types of the theory. mm, uh, just about the play. The first one is the development theory, which belongs to the critical thinking and troubleshooting of any problems. And then second one is the sociocultural theory, social learning, and the psychoanalytical theory, and behaviorist theory, and humanistic theory, and the post-modern theory. Just in the socioculture theory, they learn about the social norms and values, and the psychoanalytical theory they learn the emotional understanding, the feelings, happiness, and the behaviors theory they learn what is the good and what is the bad behaviors, and then second one is the humanistic theory. They learn about the well-beings and the kindness, and the last one is the postmodern theory. They learn the inclusion, identity and culture. Just there is the one picture which gives the idea about the scientific concept and the everyday concept, which gives the mature concept about the combination of the scientific concept and the everyday concept, and they are able to explain the each and everything just to their friends and the families, and which grow the thinking capacity and the critical analysis of the children. This slide belongs to the play in the EYLF and the National Quality Standard. Here, EYLF stands for the Early Year Learning Frameworks, which belongs to the belonging, begins, and becoming. And then first principle of the EYLF is this principle helps the culture, competence, reciprocal relationship, and partnership. And the second one is the learning outcome, identity, contribution to the world, well-being, build confidence, and the good learning. And the last one is the practice, the holistic and integrated and interconnected. And then second one is national quality standard. What is the national quality standard? There are the several quality area of the NQS. There are the seven standard of the quality area. This is a QA1 to QA7, and then first one is the QA1 is the intentional teaching, and the QA3 is a safety playground, and QA5 is cooperative play and trusting partnership. And then here is the one picture which gives us full idea about that the learning outcomes, principle, practice, and then also which gives the idea about the belonging, becoming, and then beginning. This slide belongs to the importance of the play. Play is a crucial part of the children's development. There are the various types of the development. The first one is the physical, second one is the cognitive, social, and emotional and language communication. In physical play, there are the different types of the play. The challenging play, risky play, wire play, and rough play, and tumble play, and cognitive schematics. And the and then after it, the benefits of the play-based learning, and there are the many types of the benefits. There's the first one is the creative, active engagement, holistic developments, and cultural understanding, and inclusion and diversity. These slides belongs to the teaching through the play in my class. And then yeah, just the various steps I will follow, and then I will implement in this tasks in my class in various steps. The first one is to allocate the different play zones, indoor and outdoor play, and the second is to facilitate the risky and challenging play safely, and give the restriction in the rough and tumble play, and help us schematic play by extending interest. And the fifth one is to promote cooperative learning, and the sixth one is the aligned play based learning with curriculum.